Tokyo Tower. Located in Shiba-koen in Minato City, Tokyo, and standing at 330.9 meters high the Tokyo Tower claims the world's tallest self-supported steel tower and 3 meters taller than its model, the Eiffel Tower. A symbol of Japan's post-war rebirth as a major economic power, Tokyo Tower was the country's tallest structure from its completion in 1958 until 2012, when it was overshadowed by the Tokyo Skytree. The main deck at 150 meters is reached via elevator, with a second set of elevators connecting the main deck to the 250-meter high top deck, from where you can get a bird's eye view of Tokyo skyline from high above the surrounding buildings. Ai Shrine, the Shinto shrine that protects the capital Tokyo, a great shrine standing on a small hill, to which one can access by 3 different ways between Akasaka and Nagatacho business districts in Tokyo. The main entrance in the east directly introduces into the sacred grounds, and furthermore, the majestic entrance in the south marked by a high torii gates, as well as long stairways and sided by escalators. And the most discreet one, in the west, opens on the back of the grounds and the torii gates tunnel surrounded by tall office buildings.
Lunch menu. Very good.
Omoide Yokocho is a bustling Izakaya alley district reminiscent of the good old days, still retaining a nostalgic atmosphere. It has its roots in the open-air market that formed in the burnt-out ruins of Tokyo in the immediate aftermath of World War II. The narrow alleys are filled with dozens of tiny eateries serving authentic ramen, soba, sushi, yakitori, and kushiyaki. Many restaurants consist of just one counter with some chairs, while others have a couple of tables. Shinjuku is a special ward in Tokyo, Japan, where major commercial and administrative centers are found in addition to the buzzing clubs and karaoke rooms of neon-lit East Shinjuku and upscale hotel bars and restaurants in the Skyscraper District. Shinjuku is also home of the world's busiest railway station and most known for its entertainment district, Kabukicho, but there are many restaurants and pubs elsewhere in Shinjuku that are worth visiting. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building is also located in Shinjuku with a height of 243 meters. Twin towers and surrounding buildings contain the offices and the assembly hall of the Metropolitan Government of Tokyo, as well as free observatories on the 45th floor of each tower. Behind the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building is the Shinjuku Central Park, which houses the iconic, expansive fountain of Shinjuku Niagara Falls, facing a spacious wide-open grass plaza. Demographically, Shinjuku has a diverse population. There is also an area called Shinokubo, which is known as Koreatown, with lots of Korean shops and restaurants. Also, it is a hub for foreign residents, including other Asian communities. Shinjuku epitomizes Tokyo's dynamic blend of tradition and modernity, offering a microcosm of urban Japan's energy and diversity.
でください。割引されると信じてお店に行った場合に割引は見返しのつかないことになります。